In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove header and footer Squarespace. If you're building a focused landing page or a distraction-free sales page, hiding the site's header and footer can be a great way to keep visitors zeroed in on your message. I'll walk you through the exact clicks inside Squarespace so you can turn those elements off for a single page without affecting the rest of your site. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard and go to the main site area labeled Website. This is where you manage everything about how your site looks and functions. From here, head into Pages. You'll see your site's page list in the left sidebar, organized by navigation groups. Find the specific page where you want to remove the header and footer. Hover your mouse over that page title to reveal more options, and click the small settings gear icon. That opens the page's settings panel, which controls things unique to that page. Inside the page settings, look for the section called Navigation. Open it to access layout-related options. Here you'll find two toggles, Show Header and Show Footer. Turn off Show Header to hide your site's top navigation, logo area, and any announcement bar on this page. Then turn off Show Footer to remove the bottom section that usually contains links, contact details, or legal information. As you switch these off, you'll typically see the preview update so you can confirm the change right away. A few helpful notes as you do this. These settings apply only to the page you're editing, so your other pages will keep their header and footer. That makes this perfect for special campaigns or opt-in pages where you don't want visitors clicking away. Remember that removing the header means your main navigation won't be visible on this page, so provide a clear call to action on the page itself. Likewise, if your footer holds important links like privacy or terms, consider linking those within the page content when needed. If you change your mind later, just return to the same navigation section in the page settings and turn the toggles back on. You can repeat this exact process on any other page where you want the same clean, minimal look. And that's it. Quick and effective. You've learned how to hide the header and footer on a Squarespace page while keeping the rest of your site untouched. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building distraction-free pages that convert.